I am super excited about this. Introducing the all-new Panasonic LUMIX S PRO 24-70 2.8 lens for the LEICA L mount system. This is just one of several new lens additions to the LUMIX S PRO line. First of all, this is a lens that is very much needed and desired for LUMIX full-frame cameras, specifically the powerful Panasonic LUMIX S1 and S1R. I took this baby out in the field to run it through its paces on a Panasonic S1, and here's everything you need to know about it right out of the chute. The 24-70mm range is a go-to focal length range for full-frame shooters, and it's fast at a constant 2.8 aperture. On the photo side, I found the lens to be really fast focusing, using the S1's 225 area and single area focusing modes primarily. I had no problem nailing focus on a moving subject on multiple axes. It's responsive and smooth, and of course the build quality is top-notch. It matches what we've come to expect from this caliber of lens in this price range. The 24-70 is sharp throughout the focal zoom range. Panasonic has definitely paid sharp attention, no pun intended, to the glass quality in their S Pro models thus far. But of course, this lens is made with LEICA glass, so that's no surprise. However, the size and number of glass elements inside the lens make it a bit on the heavy side, weighing in at 2 pounds 4 ounces, as opposed to Canon's popular 24-70 EF mount lens, which weighs in at 1 3/4 pounds. But taking into account that you'd need a lens adapter to get the Canon to work on the LUMIX system, it just about equals out. Plus, autofocus capability would be hampered severely. There's a pull-down manual focus ring with a graphic readout. That's a nice feature for measuring focal distance and for video shooting. And it has an 82mm thread size for front lens attachments. On the video side, autofocus struggled a bit on a moving target, but standing still, the lens eventually found its way. This is par for the course for AF on Panasonic LUMIX cameras. For a 2.8 aperture lens, the background was nice and milky when adding some compression by zooming in. Wide shots are dynamic and sharp around the edges, allowing a lot of light to reach that full-frame sensor. Filming handheld felt nice and balanced because the slightly heavier weight of the lens itself helped to counterbalance the weight of the S1. It felt very comfortable in the hand, and the smooth focus and zoom rings don't cause any unwanted resistance when trying to reframe a shot or pull focus. The S Pro 24-70 is not an image stabilized lens, but on the S1 and S1R, you will benefit from the camera's in-body stabilization. One last thing to mention is that the macro range measures in at 1.21 feet for close-up focusing. All in all, this is a very powerful and versatile lens for wedding photographers, event photographers, filmmakers, and documentarians, giving them a very sought-after focal length range fitting a variety of scenarios. The 2.8 aperture gives that extra low light capability that is comparable to other popular 24-70 lenses in this class. I believe I speak for many photographers and filmmakers when I say that the addition of this lens to the full-frame LUMIX system is just what we were hoping for. Let us know in the comments what you think about it. Does it live up to the hype, or does it leave you wanting more? Tell us, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm Rob Adams for Adorama. Thanks for watching.